Windows 11 already looks modern, but what if we make it even more beautiful? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply an acrylic UI design on Windows 11 using Windows. With smooth transparency, soft blur effects, and clean glass look, your start menu, taskbar, and system UI feels premium and stylish. No heavy tools, no system breaking modes, just Windows and right settings. Let's transform Windows 11 into a clean, modern acrylic experience. So let's dive in. First, you have to download and install this software called Windows. Links are given in the description box. After installation, you will see an interface like this. Now we have to install some mods. Then click on browse for mods, and first we have to install this mods called Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click on details and then install it. And then we have to configure it. Go to this folder and open Taskbar Styler and copy this complete script. I'll put the link in the description box, and then go to advanced and paste it here and then click on save. Then we have to install taskbar height and icon size. Click on details, then click on install and then click on install, and again go to this folder and copy taskbar height and icon size mod, and then go to advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. And now we have to install another mods called Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Click on details and install it, and then go to settings, and in here you have to select translucent cell and then click on save. And now we have to install Windows 11 Statement Styler. Click on details, then click on install and then click on install, and go to this folder again and open start menu styler mods and copy this complete script, then go to advanced and paste it here. And now we have to install another mods called Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Click on details, then install it, then go to settings, and in here you have to select Minimal Explorer 11 and then click on save. Now we have to install a tools called Blurmica. Unzip it, and cut this folder and go to C drive and paste it here, and then open it and open this config file, and we have to make some changes here. Then click on file and then click on save. Now right click on register and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. If you want to uninstall this blur effect, just go to this release folder again and right click on this uninstall and then click on run as administrator. So it will remove the blur effect from your Explorer. And if you want to also uninstall the start menu taskbar styler, just go to control panel and uninstall Windows. So it will remove start menu and taskbar styler as well. And this is it. This is how you can transform your Windows 11. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.